I think it's time. Yes, it's time to bring history back to life.
Cool, it's amazing.
A Talks of Wheels TV.
Oh, okay, the video that you're about to see is one of many that I've done of classic transport, collectibles and art prints. So please don't forget to check out those after you've seen this video and to rate them, and please click on the subscribe icon because I'll be doing lots more videos in the future. Okay, thanks and enjoy watching. Okay, here's a great set of cigarette cards from 1937 issued by Players. It's motor cars, second series. I believe I've already videoed the first series. So without further ado, let's have a look through. The thing that I really like about these cards is it tells you the price that they were sold for when they first came out. So that's pretty cool. Okay, it's not the rarest set in the world, but what makes this particular set extra special is that it's in great condition. Because of the self-adhesive backs, they often stick together, and you see all sorts of little bits on the backs and roundy corners. So this one's a particularly good example. So we'll just run through them. Aston Martin, Buick, Empire Saloon. I bet that one's expensive these days. Bugatti Type 57.5 competition model, if it exists anymore, that is. In fact, let's see how much it cost in those days. £1,100, which was a lot of money then. Bentley 4-seater. Chrysler Richmond Touring Saloon, Citroen. I'll put a full list of all the car titles in the description so that you can peruse through to your heart's delight. And I'll put, what I might do is I might put the price of each of the cars, you know, which is stated in the descriptions, because obviously I won't be able to type out all the descriptions. I'll take forever. Hillman Hawk Saloon, Humber, Mercedes Benz. I bet that's an expensive one. 2,200. Yeah, very expensive then. Lanchester. Beautiful set of cards. They really look great frames. There's a Morgan, Packard, Pontiac, Rolls Royce. I wonder how much that was then. 2,720. Whew, a lot compared with the other ones in this set. Sia. Worsley, Vauxhall, Triumph, Talbot, Sunbeam. Yeah, great set of cards. Please don't forget to check out my other transport related cards. And thanks for watching.
Please feel free to pop by at my art prints and collectibles gallery at artofwheels.co.uk.
Oh no! I'm afraid we've run out of time, but just before you go, please leave thumbs up below, and if you'd like to see more amazing video clips like this,
Subscribe to the channel
by clicking on the icon up in the sky. A Talks of Wheels TV.